Address of the emergency.
Hold on one second. The address is,
Can you please repeat that address one more time for verification? Is this a house, an apartment, or business?
well, this is a building. I was outside smoking with my mom, and a lady came running downstairs. A man came after her. He was choking her. They're upstairs screaming right now. She said, somebody please help me, and I just figured the right thing to do was to call 911.
The male was choking her?
Yes.
Was there any weapons involved?
I didn't see any weapons. She was butt naked. He had clothes on, but I didn't see any weapons, no.
Okay. How many
But I
minutes
can
ago
hear
did
her
this
screaming
happen?
from the door. Excuse me?
How many minutes ago did this happen?
Well, like 3 minutes ago. I can hear her screaming from my door. I'm just not going to go outside.
Okay. I have the call entered for police. And can you give me a description of the male? Is he black or Latin?
Black?
What was he wearing?
I don't remember what he was wearing. If he had clothes on, she did not have clothes on.
Okay. And is she black or Latin?
Black also. She's also black. But she asked for help, and that's why I'm calling you guys. And I can hear her screaming upstairs.
Okay. And what's the okay. She's upstairs. Do you know her unit number?
My unit number, Ahmed?
You on building? Do you know her building number?
Yeah.
Where she is right
Her
now?
building, she's upstairs. She's also just upstairs.
Okay. And what is your name?
I'd rather not give you my name.
Okay. No problem. I'll call
I just wanted to help her because she looks scared.
Okay, no problem. If anything escalates before they get there, just give us a call back. I have the call entered for the police. They are involved.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.